bless these hands when He made me. God bless these hands.
Bless Carpenter.
God bless these hands when He made me.
What's up, YouTube? Alex here from the Blessed Carpenter. I'm noticing that a lot of people are having a lot of hard time selling their woodworking projects still after everything that I can encourage. So I'm learning that the new problem is that you guys don't know what markets to sell stuff on, and you're only using one marketplace. My success is coming from way more than one marketplace. I just Googled a very critical Google. I Googled places like Mercari and Craigslist, and there's 20 different apps, you guys. So I'm going to put a whole list here of different marketplaces that you can use to buy and sell stuff with people all day, every day. So the list is Poshmark. Poshmark and both Mercari are C2C, customer-to-customer social commerce platforms for selling secondhand goods. eBay, obviously. OfferUp, a local marketplace that connects buyers and sellers and goods. Facebook Marketplace. Etsy is for like handcrafted goods and stuff. Etsy is a really great place to sell your product because it's for people who craft. It's for us, woodworkers, who make projects and then you can sell it really fast. But there's a lot of competition on there, so you might be better off trying a different market. Let's try some of these. We have ThreadUp, an online consignment store. Depop, Vinted, an online marketplace for buying and selling secondhand items. Sounds like a great place to find tools. The Real, Declutter, Worthy, 5 Miles, a peer-to-peer marketplace that connects local sellers to buyers. It's designed for local sales. So that's 5 Miles. Let Go, a marketplace that allows users to sell and buy used goods locally. That's all day for tools. OLX, Oodle, Sideline Swap, Tradesy, a peer-to-peer marketplace that connects buyers and sellers directly. Gumtree, Locanto, Nextdoor, StockX, Swappa, buy and sell used tech. So that's a great place to get like some YouTube equipment or something, some technical stuff. Garage Sale, Bonanza. All of these places are excellent places and markets that you can use, and they're tools for us. If we're going to make stuff to sell, you have to utilize the tools available. These markets are great tools to use. So when you put up a listing, don't just put it up in one market. Put it up everywhere you can do it. Spread the word for your stuff. But as soon as you make that sale, if you only have one of those products, to keep your name good, delete the listing in the other markets. So if you are new to this, probably don't do them all at once. Start with like one more market or 2 more markets, and then work your way up as you get used to deleting and adding posts and your listings. So I hope this helps you guys out. I'm Alex from the Blessed Carpenter. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.